There is a session in the morning spoken English class about conversations. There are two conversations today.
ये कितने का है?
How much does this cost?
Do you have any discount today?
Yes, we have 20% discount on sweaters and jackets.
That's great. I need a jacket for winter.
In the name of Allah the Beneficent, the Merciful, very good morning, guys and girls. Again, there is a session in the morning spoken English class about conversations. There are two conversations today we are going to practice, and the first one is about buying items for kitchen. That's a grocery kind of shopping at a mall. The other one is about brand shopping. You're going to buy in the store a shirt and a jacket, maybe on a discount. There are many types of buyers: impulse buyers, bargain hunters, shopaholic people who are crazy about shopping more and more. But today we'll be just talking about two topics, and they are important topics, and they are going to help you out in everyday life. So here you go. So my dear friends, before practicing here in the class the two conversations about buying or shopping, we better just practice some 20 sentences. There are 20 sentences along with their translation, और हमारी स्टूडेंट उसकी ट्रांसलेशन बताएंगी और उसकी फिर मैं आपको इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन बताऊंगा. All right, do those 20 sentences which are frequently spoken in day-to-day shopping. So please, your first sentence.
ये कितने का है?
How much does this cost? Yeah, how much is this?
क्या ये किसी और साइज में दस्तयाब है?
Do you have this in a different size?
क्या मैं इसे पहनकर देख सकता हूँ या सकती हूँ?
Can I try this on?
ट्राई रूम कहाँ है?
Where is the fitting room or where is the try room?
क्या आप क्रेडिट कार्ड कबूल करते हैं?
Do you accept credit cards?
क्या इस चीज पर कोई रियायत है?
Is there any discount on this item?
क्या मुझे रसीद मिल सकती है?
Can I get a receipt, please?
मैं बस देख रहा हूँ, शुक्रिया.
I'm just looking, thank you.
क्या ये किसी और रंग में दस्तयाब है?
Do you have this in another color?
आपकी वापसी और तबादले की पॉलिसी क्या है?
What is your return and exchange policy?
ये मेरे लिए बहुत महंगा है.
This is too expensive for me.
क्या आप मुझे बेहतर कीमत दे सकते हैं?
Can you give me a better price?
कैश काउंटर कहाँ है?
Where is the cash counter?
क्या आपकी कोई सेल लगी हुई है?
Do you have any ongoing sales?
मैं एक तोहफा ढूंढ रहा हूँ, क्या आप मदद कर सकते हैं?
I'm looking for a gift. Can you help me?
क्या मैं किस्तों में अदायगी कर सकता हूँ?
Can I pay in installments?
क्या आप होम डिलीवरी फ्राहम करते हैं?
Do you offer home delivery?
ये मुझे ठीक से फिट नहीं आ रहा, क्या आपके पास बड़ा छोटा साइज है?
This doesn't fit me well. Do you have bigger or a small size or smaller size?
क्या ये सेल में है या पूरी कीमत पर है?
Is this on sale or full price?
अगर मुझे ये पसंद ना आए तो क्या मैं इसे वापस कर सकती हूँ?
Can I return this if I don't like it? Oh, thank you very much. That's great. Lovely. Okay, friends, let's start the first conversation. Buying clothes at a mall. Mall पर कपड़े खरीदते हुए. Buyer. Excuse me. Where's the men clothing section? आदमियों का कपड़ों का section कहाँ है? Shopkeeper. It's on the second floor. Take the escalator to your left. अपने लेफ्ट में escalators ले लीजिए, and you will see it straight ahead. आपको बिल्कुल सीधा नजर आएगा ये. Thanks. Also, do you all have any discounts today? क्या आपके यहाँ कोई डिस्काउंट लगी हुई है? Shopkeeper. Yeah, we've got a 20% discount on jackets and sweaters. Jackets और sweaters पे 20% discount है. Oh, that's great. I need a jacket for winter. Winter के लिए jacket चाहिए. Could you show me some? क्या मुझे कुछ दिखा सकते हैं? Shopkeeper. Sure. Here's our latest collection. ये हमारी latest collection है. This one's warm and stylish. ये warm भी है और stylish भी है. Oh, I like it. How much is this after the discount? Discount के बाद ये कितनी प्राइस बनेगी इसकी? Shopkeeper. It was $100, but now with the discount it's $80. Buyer. Oh, that's a good deal. I'll take it. I'll take it. अच्छी deal है, मैं ले लूँगा. Do you all accept credit cards? Credit cards लेते हैं आप? Shopkeeper. Of course. You can pay at the counter on your right. अपने right पर counter पे pay कर सकते हैं. Perfect. Thanks for your help. आपकी मदद का शुक्रिया. Oh, you're welcome. Have a great day. Welcome. आपका अल्लाह करे अच्छा दिन गुजरे. This is the first conversation. The second one now, conversation 2, grocery shopping at a local store. Local store पर आप जो है वो grocery buy कर रहे हैं. Buyer. Hi, I need some fresh fruits. Where can I find them? Fresh fruits चाहिए कुछ मुझे कहाँ से मिल सकते हैं? Shopkeeper. They are in the back. आपके पीछे वाले हिस्से में जो आपके बैक पर है, right next to the dairy section. Dairy section के बिल्कुल साथ है. Buyer. All right. Thanks. Also, do you have organic apples? आपके पास organic बढ़िया किस्म के apples हैं? Shopkeeper. Yes, we do. They are on the top shelf. Top shelf पर आपको organic apple मिलेंगे. Okay, got it. मिल गए हैं. And I like a dozen eggs too. एक दर्जन अंडे भी चाहिए मुझे. Shopkeeper, no problem. They are in the fridge near the checkout counter. Fridge में checkout counter के पास में पड़े हुए हैं. Buyer, great. Oh, and do you have brown bread? आपके पास brown bread है? Shopkeeper, we're out of stock, but we'll restock it tomorrow. Out of stock है लेकिन restock करेंगे कल. All right, I'll come back later. मैं वापस आऊँगा. How much for these? कितने पैसे बने इन दोनों के चीजों के? That will be $12.50. $12.50 बनते हैं. Buyer, here you go. ये लीजिए. Keep the change. बाकी आप रख लीजिए. Shopkeeper, thanks. Have a good day. अल्लाह करे आपका दिन अच्छा गुजरे. Buyer, you too. Thank you. So, dear friends, the first conversation is about buying clothes at a shopping mall. So, here you go, the first pair.
Excuse me, where the men clothing section?
Sure. It's right on. Take the escalator on your right and you will see it straight ahead.
Thanks. Also, do you have any discount today?
Yes, we have 20% discount on sweaters and jackets.
That's great. I need a jacket for winter. Could you show me some?
Oh, yes, sure. You're sure. It's our latest collection. It is warm and stylish too.
I like it. How much after discount?
It was about $100, but now with the discount, it is only $80.
That's great deal. I'll take it. Can you accept a credit card?
Oh.
All credit card?
Of course, you can pay at the right on your counter.
Perfect.
At the counter on your right.
At the counter on your right.
Perfect. Thanks for helping me.
Okay, welcome. Have a good day.
This is great. This is great. Simply amazing. Very nice. Okay, guys, it's your turn. Will you show me please the mic for a moment? The conversation is about grocery items.
Local shop.
At the grocery shop, one is buying, other one is a buyer, other one is a shopkeeper. So here you go.
Hi, I need some fresh fruits. Where I can find them?
Yeah, they are in the back, right next to the dairy section.
All right. Do you have organic apples?
Yeah, we do. They are on the top section.
Got it. I would like 2 dozen eggs too.
No problem. They are in the fridge near the counter, near the checkout counter.
Great. Do you have brown bread?
We are out of stock. It will be restocked tomorrow.
All right. I will come back later. How much for this?
That will be $12.50.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
It's really excellent presentation by both pairs. They performed pretty good, and they've also kept the pace a certain communication level, which was really appreciable. And I really have a big round of applause for you. And I hope that you will keep on preparing yourself well. Tomorrow, we're going to have another session. It's about pronunciation and accent. You have to update your accent according to the British style. Actually, that's the that's the model pronunciation and accent, which we'll practice tomorrow. And I'll give you all the assistance and convenience regarding videos and the scripts. You prepare them very well. And tomorrow we'll practice before we start recording. God bless you all. Thank you very much. And have a good day.